everybody. It's Kirti here, and I am the agency deputy lead here at Into Profits. So, here at the agency, we do two main things. First, we manage ads, and then second, we optimize listings for 6-7 figure business sellers on Amazon to help them boost their sales and profits. So for today's video, we're going back to the basics, and also we want to help you set up some A/B experiments. So it's really important that we do experiments all the time, like a continuous experiment, because we always want to improve things. We want to improve our content. We want to do better than the competitors, right? So I will be giving you some tips and also give you step by step on how we can set up the experiment. All right. So for the experiments, it's important that you're enrolled in the Amazon brand registry as well. And you have to make sure that the ASINs that you're planning to split this or experiment should have enough traffic so that we can get more meaningful data. So Amazon usually tells you if it's qualified or not. But yeah, so here in the Seller Central, you just have to go to the menu, go to the brands, and then manage experiments. So you will be directed to this page, and you can just click Experiments Home. So this is the dashboard for all of the experiments. And then in here, you can check which specific element or attribute you want to split test. So we have the A+ content in here, the bullet points, product images, also listing images, and product title, the A+ brand store, and multi-attribute. So I suggest you do multi-attribute, because here in the multi-attribute, you can split test the product title and main image, and also product description and bullet points. And it runs at the same time. So you will be getting more data that you want, and you will be identifying which how do you call this, like match works better. For example, this main image versus this title, and then this title versus this bullet point. So it's really important that we get more data, since we want to know more about the performance. So what we usually do is we experiment things little by little. Just we don't want to make drastic changes or like big changes, because by then we won't be able to identify what changes or what change really improved our performance, right? So it's important to do it little by little. For example, in the main image, you just want to add shadows, or you just want to add the product packaging. For example, a bottle and then your product packaging versus just the product itself, like the bottle itself. So those are the things that we recommend. And also for the title, you can try split testing titles with much more relevant keywords that is also optimized for the CEO. So not CEO, SEO. I'm so sorry about that. For the SEO. So yeah, those are the things that you want to check in, and it's important that you just do it continuously. Like you can set it up, I think minimum 4 weeks, and then after 4 weeks, check the results. And if it doesn't perform, or if it does perform, you can do it for your other products as well. So yeah, just have to keep in mind that we have to be compliant as well with Amazon terms and conditions. So if you have any questions, just feel free to let us know. So once you set up the experiment, it's important that we check in the monitor the results. And I think Amazon shares initial results on a weekly basis. So you want to check in the conversion, the improvement in sales, and even I think sample size, and what else, like sales from search. So those are things that you want to check. And aside from that, I think that's everything actually. So if you have more questions, as I mentioned, just let us know. You can comment down below. And if you want us to check your content or your listings or even your ads performance, we can do that for you. We can give you free audit. So I think that would be really helpful for your brand as well. So if I think that's everything for today's video. I hope you guys have a great time. So don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Thank you. See you in the next video.